Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix if you can't log into Roblox. So there are probably a few reasons why this is happening, so in this video I will give you a few methods in order to fix the error that you can't log into Roblox. So the first one is really straightforward, but just make sure to check your Wi-Fi connection. If you're watching this video on the device that you can log into on your Roblox, then you of course have Wi-Fi connection. If you're using a different device, then make sure to double check the Wi-Fi on there. The second option is really straightforward, and that is simply by clicking forgot password or username. What this does is simply emailing you a reset password button, which you can click, and then you can reset your password in case you don't know your password anymore, and that's the reason why you can't log in. Make sure to enter the email that's associated with the Roblox account, and you can even retrieve your username if you don't know the username, or you can even retrieve the username with a phone number that is linked to it. So yeah, a lot of different ways you can get your password back if that's the issue. You can even use an email via one-time code, which you can use to log in, or you can even log in using another device, which you can simply scan the QR code for, and then you will also be immediately logged in if you're logged in from some other on some other device with your account that you want to log into. Now, if you have tried all of this and it's still not working, then what you now want to try and do is you want to go into Google Chrome if you're using Chrome, and what you want to do is you want to make sure that all VPNs are disabled. You can simply do this by going into settings and then going into extensions, and you want to make sure you don't have any VPN extensions, and also make sure to double check over on settings, this can be done on Windows and on Mac, that you don't have like I said, that you don't have any VPN enabled, both on Wi-Fi and on network. This is really straightforward, of course. Now, if you have double checked that and you still can log in, then we have another method for you. What you want to do is you want to go back into your settings in Google Chrome, and then what you want to do is you want to go here into, I think it's performance. Let me quickly check. It's privacy and security. So what you want to do is you want to go into privacy and security, and what you're going to do is you're going to clear your browsing data and your cookies. This is really easy to do. Of course, everyone knows this, how it works, but this sometimes also fix some issues with some websites, which could also work for you, that you can simply click on clear data, and now we can see that Roblox cookies got cleared, cache got cleared, everything works a lot smoother, and maybe you can try to log in right now. That are all the fixes for you. However, the second fix will probably work for you, which is simply clicking on forgot password or username, and that should fix the issue for you, as long as you know either the username, email, or phone number associated with the Roblox account. So yeah, if I gave some useful information in this video, then I would really appreciate it if you could like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.